Hi friend, how are you? So last video in part 2 we are exploring the overview of PIM, DAM and CMS. Okay. So before going to demo part of the PIM core, okay. So we explored the all the detail related to the PIM core, okay, PIM, MDM, DAM and CMS. Okay, I have created a PPT for the exploring the overview of the PIM core. Okay, so just go the PPT. Okay. So this is the PPT. Okay, so Pimcore, we are explaining the Pimcore. Okay, feature data and experience management. So you can easily you can manage your data with the Pimcore. Okay, to data accuracy and also the data security on with the help of the Pimcore, you can the customer and the product in efficient way. Okay, so Pimcore basically open source. Okay, I already explained, and organize you manage your data like digital data. So okay, so you can use PIM, project information system management, management data master, digital asset management, content management system, CDP, B2B, B2C, B2B in the PIM core. Okay, so basically this type of the activity doing in the PIM core. So why using PIM core? Okay, so PIM core, if you have the large data source in the billion and trillion for a data set, yeah, any data set like related to the price, a huge amount of the images, so we have the easily manage with the efficient way with the PIM core. So your data you do get record in the PIM core, you have created the data model according to the your data set. Okay, so in PIM core, so if you created the data model with your data, so you can customize your data using the bulk import and export. So you can easily export and import in the lack of data in the billion and trillion of the data in the any format like CSV, Excel, in JSON, yeah, any data format. Okay, customization, yeah, customization is the basically in easy in the PIM code. Okay, you can customize your data in the in your attribute, yeah, in your data type. Okay, you have the set of the attribute you want to simple set of attributes, so you can create data model as per your attribute. Okay, so customization is easy. So Pimcore provided the fully customization. If your data is the complex, so you can customize by part. Yeah, so multi-channel content management with Pimcore enable to sufficient management distribution. So suppose you have created a product data and you want to selling the your website, yeah, app, yeah, iPhone, yeah, Android app, yeah, you want to say send the other channel. So many platform available, so you can send a product data in the any format in the multiple channel. So Pimcore provide this type of the facility in the Pimcore. Okay, enterprise also Pimcore also provide the enterprise solution you so for your surface data and the security purpose. Okay, so now go to the feature. So PIM code already define the PIM code. It means the project information management. You can easily data manage by the data. So the multiple channel including the catalog, attribute, classification, relation, one to one, many to one, and the data frame and many data type. Okay, so you can easily load data with the PIM in PIM code. Then basically is data asset management, like you can manage a large amount of data related to the image, related to the video and the audio file, so you can easily track and create thumbnail, all type of the activity doing with the images, video and audio in damn part of the PIM core. CMS basically content. So if you want to fully customize with your blog in the editable mode, so Pimcore provide this type of facility, so you can enable your website, your landing page with a fully editable and customization, and you can easily use the data model. Okay, with the help of a PIM and DAM. So customization is very easy with the Pimcore CMS part. Okay, e-commerce integration is easy. So you can Pimcore provide the integrated e-commerce platform. We have already module the e-commerce, so you can easily create online store to the manager of product. Customization of the data model, yes, you can customize your data as per the your data set as per the requirement. No follow no detail follow your, yeah, any no customization available. other brand, but Pimcore have the fully customization your data. Okay, API related things, so you can highly Pimcore extension API in highly accessible allow developer to integrate other API. So suppose you have created a product data set, you can send in with API, REST API, and REST API with the functionality needed. Okay, so yeah, this is the architecture of the diagram of the Pimcore. So you can see application section, layer, integration and delivery layer, and technology layer. Okay, so first part is the application, second part is the integration and delivery, and third part is the technology. So application layer, you can see PIM, MDM, DAM, CDP, DXP, digital experience management, and e-commerce site. So this type of the module under the application layer. Integration layer basically PIM core API, okay, tune and template, okay, data have related graphical XML, CSV, JSON, and XLS. Custom API, you can create custom API, and auto TP integration. Okay, there are the 2000 to 500 multiple channel Adobe, yeah, Microsoft. Okay, technology byte application stack using the Apache, Nginx, and PHP 8 Symfony 5. So under the PHP Symfony is a framework. So in backend, Symfony using server by Apache, Nginx, and PHP 8 is using database usage. So you can easily use MySQL database, MariaDB, and Percona. Okay, so BoostTech, you can check Elasticsearch, Redis, and Venice. So this type of the technology you use with the Pimcore diagram. So this is the simple flow chart with the Pimcore. Why does Pimcore do? Yeah, so you can easily check Pimcore. This is the Pimcore. So basically, three type of the activity doing with the Pimcore. Enrich. So you can enrich this type of the data. Okay, then you can maintain the data. After maintain data, you can translate data. So suppose you have enriched the data format wise CSV. You have enriched CSV file of the data. You enrich the data from the FTP. You enrich the data for the different type of the portal or supplier. You enrich the XML file. So suppose product and price data in the XML format, so you can just enrich the data format. So we are already explained. And also marketing type of the data available in the XLS format, so you can easily in this type of the data. So in the flow diagram, you can see CSV, data from the FTP, data from the supplier portal, XML, and API. So there are the many data source providing with the data, and all data enriched with the Pimcore. Okay, after enrich the data, we have the maintain data. Maintain means you have the check the data accuracy, data mandatory field, mandatory attribute value is available and not, images content image available and not, that thumbnail generation completed not with the images. So due to the help of the PIM, DAM, and CMS part, we maintain the data. Okay, after data will ready, we translate this same data with the e-commerce portal. So okay, so you have the e-commerce website, yeah, app, so you can easily selling your product with the help of the pin code. Okay, you sending the data in the marketplace. There are different marketplace. You can send your data with the brand catalog. So if you want to sell your data with the print media, so you can just easily send the data. Okay, and there are also many points you can sell your data. Okay, you can also sending the data with the mobile app. So this is the basic diagram. You can check first left hand side we have the data source and other side channel. So Pimcore basically manage this type of activity. So you can check. So suppose we have some example. There are many data source. Simply, this is the data source, and we have created a multiple Pimcore script with the help of the workflow state. You can check the data and validation. Okay, data manipulation and calculation related to the Pimcore asset, Pimcore data object, and Pimcore document. We will explain one by one in the next video. So just you can check Pimcore asset is related to the DEM, Pimcore data object is related to the PIM, and Pimcore document related to the CMS. So all three part of the Pimcore we using is the handle of the different data source, and sending the data final result with the JSON format, API format, and multiple channel. This is just type like input and output. Okay, so this is the simple uh, code structure, file structure with the Pimcore. So Pimcore have the vendor have the many internal sorry external libraries, so you can explaining one by one in detail. Also we have the required composer. So composer, yes, and there are many setting are available with the help of the Pimcore. Now right now there are many big brand to using Pimcore, like Coca-Cola 11 or something. So why using Pimcore? We have already WordPress for the CMS and Magento for the e-commerce. So yeah, Pimcore facility all type of the project. You can handle all type of like what CMS part. If you have the website only, you can upload the blog, so you can easily use the Pimcore. If you want to customize your e-commerce project, you can easily handle with the Pimcore. Okay, so Pimcore basically open source and design and content all the multiple channels. Okay, but Magento have the only e-commerce related thing you can doing with the Pimcore. Okay, and WordPress is, WordPress have the only for blocking and the small size of the project you can manage in the WordPress. But Pimcore have the fully advanced feature with the complex data experience. So this type of the difference between the WordPress and Magento. That's why we use the Pimcore. Thank you so much. So if you want to any doubt, any query, just you can comment to me. Then I will explain one by one. Okay. Thank you so much.